Morning team, got the sheriff checking in here from beautiful Twilight Automotive. Today we're going to do just a little bit of a headlight upgrade. We got the man himself here, 6 arms. So what we've currently got is the stock bulbs. I'll just pan this camera around just so you can see. So what we currently got is the stock bulbs. H11 down the bottom, H4 at the top, and we did replace the Parkers to an LED, which don't look great. So what we're going to be doing is testing out these new Narva Performance H4. They're an LED globe, built-in driver I believe, and the matching also Narva LED globe H11. This kit also comes with the Parker side lights, so hopefully that gives it a more consistent light across all the globes. So yeah, just giving you just a bit of an idea as to a before and after. Yeah, it looks like they really backed the product too with a 3-year warranty. So yeah, be keen to... Righto team, next video will be the sheriff checking in with the new globes. Hope they're going well, hope you're having an awesome day. See you team.